sink right there. And then this is vanity sink right there. Our master toilet. Isn't this exciting? This is the shower drain right here. And then I buried it there. This is the drain in the laundry room. This is the sink. Nope, the sink's right there. The washer drain. So we're still missing I think we're missing the shower drain in our bathroom. This is the extra bathroom. The toilet and the sink will be right there. Action shots, babe. Not getting your face in it. In there. It's pouring rain outside right now. It's pouring. Oh, you can't even see. It's rain. Water dripping off. Not fun. That is the toilet. And then that's the drain for the sink. Sink drain, washer drain. So he pressurized this, put caps on all of it. Caps on. And it's holding pressure, so see, it has caps on everything. And then we're gonna get this. We started to hand dig this trench. It used to be 5 feet deep. And we decided to have somebody come and help us dig it. Also the water line to the sink over here. It's clear over here. Has a cap on it and goes all the way down. So we have an inspection on that next week. So we're trying to get the water So we dug down by hand this far. Well, the rain has kind of filled it in a little bit. But we dug that down. This has to be 5 feet deep trench. And it has to go from the well into where we started on the inside. So we're having someone come and dig today. We moved out the wood so they can get through here and get that done for us. And then where John's at, clear over there, we're gonna bring a trench for power all the way over to here. We're gonna start on that trench digging today. So I'll keep you updated as he's walking the line of it right there. Just gonna bring it all the way across to here and then kind of angle it this way so it's a straight. We have to kind of keep it straight so it can get to there. That's why I stopped my garden production. It's because I was getting in the way of what really needs to happen. Flowers are not, our garden is not that important. Anyway, hey, I'll keep you updated.